Hey Miracle Fighters, I'm Pton.
And I'm Roxy. So today I'm using Narukami.
I'm using Great Nature Hamscape. Alright, let's begin. So shuffle first.
You draw 4.
Oops. Redraw 3. Oh man. Things are not. Okay, so dice. Largest will go first.
2.
2. Okay.
5.
5.
4.
5. I'll go first. Stand up, Vanguard. Blackboard Parrot.
Spark Kid Dragon.
Draw 1 card. I write Tank Mouse. Draw. Your turn.
Draw. I write Ricky. Draw. 8,000 to your Vanguard.
No guard.
Drive check, no trigger.
Damage check. Leopald.
I am my turn.
Draw. Alright, Pencil Knight Hamscape. And attack your Vanguard for 9,000.
No guard.
Drive check. Leopald.
Damage check, critical trigger.
Your turn. So at least I'm not misgrading.
Stand and draw. I write Recklessness Dragon.
Okay.
Attack your Vanguard.
9.
Yeah.
No pass.
Drive check, no trigger. Your turn.
Stand and draw. Alright, Pencil Hero Hamscape. XL. Hand size?
8.
XL1. Okay, and then I call Pencil Knight Hamscape. Skill continuous plus 3,000. 12,000 to your Vanguard.
No guard.
Twin drive. First check, Hamscape. Second check, Tank Mouse.
Damage check, no trigger.
This is 22,000 to your Vanguard. Trigger.
Guard.
Your turn.
Stand and draw. I write Detonix Drill Dragon. I get a cell 2. Draw. I call Ricky, Regina, and Rising Phoenix.
Okay. All great ones. Oh, wait. I didn't call any boosters.
Yeah. My Vanguard attack skill.
Attacks who?
Your Vanguard. Counter blast 5. And yeah. 12,000 to your Vanguard.
12,000. I'm gonna guard with Triangle Cobra, 2 pass.
Twin draw first check. Second check critical trigger. I give all the effects to my Vanguard.
Oh man. Okay.
So it restands and okay.
Oh.
Rising Phoenix boosted by Regina will attack your Vanguard. 16,000.
No guard. Damage check. Front trigger.
Okay.
Power to Vanguard.
27k double crit.
27. I'm at 22.
Yeah.
You have 1 drive, right?
Yeah.
22. No guard.
Drive check, no trigger.
2 damage.
Yeah.
1, 2. No trigger.
Ricky cannot hit, so it's your turn.
Okay. Stand and draw. Alright. School Hunter Leopald. XL. Leopald skill. Top card to drop zone. Normal unit. Look at top 4. Superior call 2. Up to 2 grade 2 or less cards. I call Pencil Knight Hamscape and Barcode Zebra. Shuffle. And then Leopald skill again. Since I have a grade 3 in the soul, I can activate his skill 1 more time. So, normal unit. Top 4 superior call 2 units. Tank Mouse and Geograph Giant. Shuffle. Since I milled a card, Barcode Zebra gets 5000 power. Geograph gets continuous 8000 on an Excel circle. Power is high. And then I call wait. Panasonic Hamsuke to rear guard. 9000 to Ricky. 18,000 to your Vanguard.
No guard.
Checking my twin drive. First check, Leopald. Second check, Binoculars.
Damage check, no trigger.
Okay. 14,000 to your Vanguard. 5.
No guard, damage check, front trigger.
This is 19, so I can only attack one card. Yeah, 19,000 to Rising. And then this will be 19 plus 8, 27,000 to your Vanguard.
My Vanguard is 22, I got 10,000.
Yup,
Got
yup. Your turn.
10 and draw. I write Detonix Drill Dragon, get a cell to draw. I call Detonix Stinger, skill, counter blast. I will bind Geograph Giant,
Okay.
gets 5000. And since I've bound a card, Rising Phoenix skill, superior call it here, gets plus 3000.
Can't hit.
Call Dragonic Death Scythe skill, Soul Blast 2 cards. I will bind this card.
Oh, Pencil Hero.
Yeah.
Pencil Knights.
Can I call this here?
Yeah.
Then I call Demolition Dragon.
Okay.
Rising Phoenix will attack Barcode Zebra with 21,000.
21,000? You
It
mean
gets 16,000.
16,000?
Yeah.
Okay, so 10k guard. Right. Tank Mouse.
Okay. The Detonix Stinger attacks Barcode with 27,000.
27,
No, not 27. 1722.
22 because you're XL2,
Yeah.
right? So it's a trigger guard.
Yeah.
Castanet Donkey.
Okay. 17,000 to Barcode Zero.
So it's a 10k guard.
Yeah.
Hey. Hand size?
5.
5. Guard with huge trigger.
Okay. My Vanguard attacks your Vanguard skill, counter blast 1, bind Barcode.
Okay.
So this is
Are you-
23,000.
Are you going to restand?
No.
No, 23,000 Vanguard.
Yeah.
I'll take the risk and say no guard.
First check, second check, no trigger.
1 damage. Damage check. I'm scared.
I am at turn.
Okay. Stand and draw. Right, School Hunter Leopald. Excel. Leopald skill. Normal unit. Top 4. Superior call. Monoculous Tiger.
Oh.
One more time. Trigger unit, so Vanguard gets 15 and 1 crit.
Are you using Temos?
Tank Mouse? No. I will call Binoculars Tiger and Monoculous Tiger. My Vanguard attacks your Vanguard.
Another 5.
Okay. So twin drive. First check. Front trigger. My front one gets 10,000. Second check. Binoculars. Nice. So this is. I'll attack with Binoculars first. Skill. Counter blast when he attacks Vanguard. So right now it's 24 to your Vanguard.
Yeah.
I can mirror the top card. Normal unit. I can draw 1 card. 24 to Vanguard.
No guard, damage check, draw, power to my Vanguard.
Oh man. Okay. Okay. This is 19. I'll attack Detonix Stinger Dragon.
$19.
Yeah,
How much is
19.
this?
This is at 28.
28.
10k guard. This is also 28. Okay, so it's a 10k guard as well. Okay. 28,000 Vanguard. Skill, Soul Blast 1. Top card the drop zone. Heal trigger. So since it's a trigger unit, you have to guard with a trigger unit.
Got.
I'll activate 10 mouse skill first. Counter blast 1 and add this to my hand. I'll take a Vanguard again. Skill, Soul Blast 1. So you got the top card. Normal unit. You cannot guard with Sentinels. 28,000 to your Vanguard.
Got.
Your turn.
Okay. Stand. Draw. Okay. I call Dusty Plasma and Old Dragon Mage.
Whoa. This is a true Excel game.
How many cards on your hand?
6.
6.
You have 2, 3, 4, 5 attacks.
Okay. My Vanguard attack skill, Counter Blast, Bind,
This one is.
this card.
I'm scared.
And then Dusty Plasma skill gets +5 and Old Dragon Mage gets +5. So this will be 20,000 to your Vanguard.
20,000.
Yeah,
32,000. So 2
2
pass.
pass. First check, second check, heal trigger.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Heal 1 damage. I give the power to
Sure.
Stinger.
Okay.
Rising
13.
Phoenix attacks.
13.
13. Yeah, to your Vanguard.
Intercept.
Okay. Dusty Plasma attacks with the boost, so it's 24 to your Vanguard. 14, 24, yeah.
Alarm chicken. 27.
With the boost, since there's now Rearguard here, it gets +8,000.
Okay.
No, +5,000. 22,000 to your Vanguard.
15k guard.
Yeah.
How much is this?
1727.
Okay, so I'll guard with 15.
Then this is 1727.
Nullify. My turn?
I am my turn.
Okay, let's see. Top draw. I call Geograph Giants.
Ah!
Vanguard attacks first. So this is 18,000 to your Detonix Drill Dragon.
1832, 2 pass.
Alright, 2 pass. Let's go. First check. Front trigger.
Oh no!
Second check. Draw trigger. Power to my Vanguard, draw 1 card. But you don't die yet.
No trigger, I should have just taken.
Okay, so front trigger.
Can't cut.
18. Sorry, 28. I use the skill Soul Blast 1. Top card to the drop zone. Heal trigger. So you can only guard with trigger units. 10 mouse skill. Counter Blast 1 returns to him. 28,000 to your Vanguard. Skill Soul Blast 1. Top card to the drop zone. Normal unit. You cannot nullify.
Got an intercept.
Okay. Is it enough? I'm at 28.
20,000.
Alright. Geograph is at 17 plus then 27,000 to your Vanguard.
If I just took for a Vanguard, I can.
Yeah, so 1 check. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye guys. Alright, so that's the end of the single match between Roxy and I, where Roxy was using her Narukami pre-updated deck and I was using my Great Nature deck. So Roxy's deck does not feature the newest support for Narukami yet, so it's only the first support, but I just wanted to get out this video even though it's quite an old one for you guys. So for this game, the winner is my Great Nature. So because I managed to check like double triggers for my final drive check, where Roxy got it for 2 to pass. So in my opinion, Roxy didn't really have to guard for that attack because she knew that I wasn't playing that many critical triggers, and Leopald wasn't attacking for double crit as well, so she could have just easily said no guard. But then the front trigger actually would have killed her anyways, because I don't think she had enough shield in her hand overall to guard. So for this game, there were quite a number of miscalculations, but apart from that, I think the game was a pretty decent one. So overall, Great Nature against
Narukami, even though Narukami has the ability to like bind, to straight up bind almost every single card in the front row for off-grade nature, but Leopald's ability to superior call up to 2 cards, or rather up to 4 cards, as long as you have grade 3 in the soul, means that you can actually easily replenish your field, and cards like Geograph Giant and Barcode Zebra can get really big really easily as well. So yep, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More videos will be coming out soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.